Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will understand the process of generating payment link to request for payment from your customers. To generate payment link from TallyPrime, all you need is a merchant ID obtained from a payment gateway that is integrated with TallyPrime and a one-time setup in TallyPrime. Generating payment link from TallyPrime has benefits, like you don't need to go to the payment gateway portals to share the payment link via email or SMS. The payment gateway portal shares the payment link via email or SMS the moment you send the payment request from TallyPrime. Moreover, you can also share the invoices and reports with payment link and or QR code via email as attachment, export to PDF, or simply copy the link and share it with the client. You can easily do it from within TallyPrime after the voucher creation at the time of saving the voucher from debook, ledger voucher reports, or outstanding reports as per your preference. Furthermore, you can generate payment links while printing the ledger voucher, outstanding reports, or reminder letters. You can also print, export, or email vouchers and reports with payment link and QR code if needed. What's more, TallyPrime gives you the flexibilities to send payment links for multiple vouchers of the single party or for multiple vouchers of multiple parties as needed. Once the customer sends you the payment, the details such as transaction IDs and dates get updated on the payment gateway portal. Before you set up TallyPrime for generation of payment links to request payment from your customers, you need to ensure that you have a merchant ID generated from one of the payment gateway portals because the information is required to set up TallyPrime. Now, let's see how to enable payment request and enter merchant profile details to share payment link or QR code in TallyPrime. Press F11. Set Show More Features to Yes and then set Enable Payment Request to share payment link or code in TallyPrime to Yes. The merchant profile details screen appears. Enter the name, say the user's name. Select the payment method, payment gateway or UPI. Enter the merchant ID. Enter the registered email or registered mobile as applicable to the payment gateway selected by you. You can create multiple merchant profiles if needed. Now, to configure the merchant profile further, press F12. Show option to save payment link or QR code while generating from reports ensures that whenever you can generate and send payment links for multiple vouchers from the reports, you can either choose to save the payment links in multiple vouchers or deny it. However, you can also do the same for single voucher if needed. Set payment link expiry allows you to set the number of days in which the payment link will expire. Once you set both the options to yes and press Ctrl+A to save, you get the options in the merchant profile details screen. Under Save Payment Link while generating from reports, select the appropriate option. If you set it to Ask Every Time, then while generating payment link, TallyPrime will ask whether you want to save the payment link or QR code in the selected vouchers every time. If you set it to yes while generating the payment link, it will save the payment link or QR code in all the selected vouchers without asking. If you set it to no, it will not save the payment link or QR code in the vouchers. Let's set it as Ask Every Time. Under Payment Link Expires in, set the number of days you want to allow for a payment link to be valid. For instance, let's save it as 30 days. This means that the customers need to use the payment link to make the payment in 30 days. Press Ctrl+A to save the merchant profile and then press Ctrl+A to save the F11 features. You are ready to use the feature for sales, POS, journal, debit note, delivery note, and sales order, voucher types. Now, let's see how to generate payment link from the voucher alteration screen of an already recorded voucher. Press Alt+G. Type or select the book and press Enter. Select the voucher for which you want to generate payment link and press Enter. The voucher opens in the voucher alteration mode. Press Alt+Z. Generate payment link or QR code. Current. And press Enter. The Generate Payment Link or QR code screen appears. If you have multiple merchant profiles, then you can select the one that you want to use. You can choose to share the payment link via SMS, email or both as preferred by your customer. Based on the option you choose under mode of sharing payment link, the payment gateway sends the link to the customer. The mobile and email will be pre-filled based on the information entered in the party ledger. You can enter or make changes as needed. Press F12 to configure this screen. You can set any of the options to yes as needed and press Ctrl+A to save. As you can see, you have the flexibility to change the expiry date of the link. We had set it as 30 days in the merchant profile screen. Select the reference number. By default, the voucher number is considered as the reference number. However, you can select some other references from the list or specify a new number if needed. Under Remarks, you can enter a message for the customer. Press Ctrl+A to save the details entered in the screen. Based on the payment gateway you had chosen in the merchant profile, you will get OTP on email or through SMS. Enter the OTP and the payment link gets generated. The system does not ask for OTP again unless the session expires. Subsequently, the customer receives an email or SMS or both as per the option selected by you. As you can see, the reference and remarks entered by you is the part of the email. The customer can click the link and make the payment to you. Now, in the voucher, press Ctrl+O. Select payment link or QR code and press Enter. You can see the link, QR code, expiry date, and amount based on the payment link you generated. You can also press Ctrl+C to copy link and then send it over to your customer as needed. You can also print the payment link and QR code. Press Ctrl+P. Press C to configure. Type or select method of payment request and press Enter. You can choose to print link, QR code or both. Press Ctrl+A to save the configuration and then press I to preview. As you can see, the payment link and QR code are the part of the print. Similarly, you can email or export the PDF of the voucher and share with your customers via email, print, or other modes as per your